From scenic trails to charming towns, this guide to day trips near Rome offers everything you need for a memorable adventure close to home.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Enhance your culinary skills during your stay in Rome by mastering the preparation of both classic Italian pastas and dessert favorite. Begin your lessons by crafting a delectable tiramisu, followed by the creation of two distinct varieties, ravioli and fettuccine. Experience an unforgettable culinary adventure at our drunken cooking class, set amidst the vibrant streets of Rome. This unique workshop combines the finest elements of Roman cuisine and drink culture, ensuring an immersive learning experience. In collaboration with the renowned Antica Osteria, established during the latter half of the 19th century, and now serving as a culinary academy, we invite you to embark on a gastronomic journey through time. Under the watchful eye of our esteemed chef, we will meticulously craft 5 distinct varieties of fresh pasta: linguine, tagliatelle, pappardelle, rigatoni, and gnocchi. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable culinary journey. Your class commences with a delightful welcome, served by a glass of exquisite Prosecco. Upon introduction to your esteemed instructor and fellow participants, the tantalizing aroma of tiramisu wafts through the air, setting the stage for a delectable Italian gastronomic adventure. Italy would lose much of its essence without pasta or tiramisu. Experience the creation process of pasta and tiramisu within the heart of Rome, specifically at Piazza Navona, one of the most iconic squares in the city. Participate in our fettuccine making cooking class in Rome and uncover the hidden gems behind the Italian pasta tradition. Experience the joyous spirit of Christmas through authentic Italian culinary traditions at our exclusive class. Join us in Rome for a memorable 3-hour session where you will embark on a delightful journey into the heart of Italian cuisine. Are you seeking an extraordinary experience in Rome? Here we are, a Roman family residing in Frascati, eager to welcome you. Depart from the bustling metropolis of Rome and immerse yourself in the serene ambience of Frascati, known as the City of Wine. Your journey commences aboard a scenic train, allowing you to appreciate the picturesque landscapes of Rome.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.